Today is Friday. It's the first week of our lab course that comes to an end, but it's not over yet. And apart from having presentations about the methods and how to do agarose gel, how to do cloning, how to make a yeast strain from scratch, how to do a yeast transformation, recapitulating what we do in this week of the lab course with schematics, asking questions, the why, that's most important, and being really clear what to do in the lab. We had an amazing first week. In addition to us educators giving the students some information about the methods and background and guiding them through protocols, the students themselves gave also presentations already about the biological function of their gene of interest. And this is so exciting to see how the progress is, and to have it all in form of this mini thesis is just amazing. The best of week one so far is the people. I can't express how much I love this year. All the years were great, all the students. Hello out there if you're watching. I just love the atmosphere, the learning atmosphere. It's positive, they help each other, they talk to each other, they enjoy the learning, although they also get grades, obviously. It's a part of their studies at university. And yeah, it's just a blast. And I'm looking forward to tonight, where before we head into the weekend, well-deserved weekend, we have a little science quiz that I invented. It's a gamification to check knowledge, and there will be some questions about homology-directed repair, say the steps, what does fidelity mean if you use a polymerase, but then also some fun questions, what's the room number of the room that we have the seminars in, and how many tables are in the room. It will all be timed, so you have only a specific time for answering the question. It's always a lot of fun. Little game, and there will be prizes, there will be snacks that contain agar from agarose, related to agarose gels, and snacks that have yeast extract in them, because we are allowed to eat that, because we are in a yeast genetics lab course. So take care. I hope you also have a good time teaching, and I'm looking forward to week 2 and to also tell you how I designed the course, what the course is all about, how I prepared for the course, and looking forward to start a conversation on lab courses and teaching.